Are you using turmeric the wrong way? Boost absorption by 2000%? Did you know that if you're taking turmeric the wrong way, you could be missing out on over 90% of its benefits? That's right. Studies show that the way you consume turmeric can determine whether your body actually absorbs its healing compounds or just flushes them out. Want to know how to unlock turmeric's full potential and supercharge your health? Let's dive in. Turmeric is more than just a spice that gives curry its golden color. Its power comes from curcumin, a natural compound that acts as a potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even cancer-fighting agent. It's no wonder this ancient spice has been called liquid gold. In the health world, over 2,000 scientific studies have shown curcumin's incredible ability to reduce inflammation and joint pain, fight infections, and boost immunity. The heart and brain even support cancer treatments. But here's the shocking truth. If you're just sprinkling turmeric on your food, you might as well be flushing it down the drain. Why? Because curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body when consumed alone? That means simply adding turmeric to your meals may not give you the results you're looking for. So how do you unlock its full potential? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 3 science-backed tips to increase turmeric absorption by up to 2000%. 1. Always add black pepper. Think of black pepper as turmeric's best friend. It contains piperine, a compound that boosts turmeric absorption by up to 20 times. Without it, most curcumin just passes through your system. So next time you use turmeric, make sure to add a pinch of black pepper too. 2. Combine with healthy fat. Here's a fun fact. Curcumin is fat-soluble. That means it needs healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee to be absorbed effectively into your bloodstream. So don't be afraid to drizzle some olive oil on your turmeric-spiced dishes. 3. Use gently heating turmeric, whether in soups, teas, or stir-fries, activates its compounds and makes them more bioavailable. So cooking with turmeric isn't just delicious, it's smart too. Now, let's put this knowledge into action with a simple yet powerful recipe. Canadian Dr. Carolyn Anderson, who extensively studied turmeric after her mother's cancer diagnosis, recommends this easy anti-inflammatory mix. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon olive oil, a generous pinch of black pepper. Mix these ingredients together and add 2 soups, roasted vegetables, or even your salad dressing. It's that simple. This powerful combo turns your food into medicine, helping you fight inflammation and boost your overall health. But don't stop there. You can get creative with how you incorporate this golden spice into your diet. Try adding it to smoothies, sprinkling it on roasted vegetables, or even mixing it into your morning oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of turmeric. Make it a part of your daily routine and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you usually consume turmeric tea capsules or fresh root? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your experience could help others on their health journey. And here's a pro tip. If you're serious about boosting your turmeric intake, consider keeping a small jar of the turmeric pepper oil mix in your fridge. That way, you'll always have it on hand to add to your meals. By following these simple tips, you're not just adding flavor to your food, you're supercharging your health. You're taking control of your well-being and making the most of nature's powerful remedies. So the next time you reach for that bottle of turmeric, remember, it's not just about using it, it's about using it right. With these tricks up your sleeve, you're well on your way to unlocking all the incredible benefits this golden spice has to offer. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves natural health, and don't forget to subscribe for more turmeric recipes and remedies in our playlist. Your health journey is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Here's to your health.